This is the basket front typewriter. They call it visible. Now, why do they call it visible? It's because you can see what's going on. What was before this? They called it the blind writer. You had to lift up what you wanted to read. Like that also is a visible typewriter too. That's not a blind writer. That's the Hammond. Oh, beautiful. Number 12. I like that. 1894. Not bad.
On a side note, actually, do you know the marble countertop here? Do you know one of the purposes of it?
No.
Well, actually, back in the day, it was very common for people to counterfeit coins. And so there was a distinct difference when you tap the silver coin on it compared to like a washer, just like a steel one. The silver gave a distinctive ping, and like anything fake would give like a clunking sound.
This is very similar to the Blick. That's what it is. It's for purposes of doing your papers on the train, your office paper, sort of like a laptop typewriter, laptop computer today would.
This is one of the first little portables. That little Corona right there. This is a hinge that folds down to make it flat. So this was one of the little portable guys there. That was about 1912, and again they used it for correspondence when you went on your railroad car or your steamship.
Right. It's a nice portable typewriter, actually. Yeah. The butterfly thing there, right there. You know what that is, don't you?
That's not it.
Huh? That's not an old lady. You know what that is? That's an olive. Underwood portable too. I'm not sure. I'm not sure of the year of that one. See, this could be from the late 1930s, early 40s, going all the way into the 50s. So I don't. I have.
Maybe?
No, that's not Bakelite. No, that's steel. But they made it look like a rubber. This is the flatbed Royal. This is the first flatbed called the Royal Number 5. E.D. Hess is the one who put this out in 1906. One thing, never pull the paper out like this. Always give it a gentle touch like that, all right? Your question has been answered. Now, don't hit the keys too hard now, okay? Hit it with a feather touch, but making sure that you can still see what you're typing.
Okay.
All right, now you can type. I'm not gonna ruin your paper, so there you have it. Okay. Now remember, you're playing a piano now, that's how you type, all right? Just like, follow what she's doing, she's doing the right thing.
Using 2 fingers. That's probably not correct.
I always have to use
No, you don't want to do that. Be a one-finger typer. Then you'll never get your work done. Play it like you're playing a piano, not a computer keyboard either. Yeah, I'll show you. No. Keep your fingers here. Your thumb does this. Your fingers do all this. And your other hand like this, and always keep your thumbs down here while keeping your fingers, but not like that, more like this. See? Yeah, and that's how you type on a type. Exactly, right. You got it right now. It's going to take you a while to learn. Excuse me. But once you do, you can type 40 words a minute.
No exclamation point is?
You may have to make one, but
You have
that
to make
machine,
it.
that machine might have one.
No, it doesn't. I
On
have
this
to
one, you
make
had
it.
to use the
And then go
apostrophe
backspace.
and
And then use an
the
apostrophe.
period. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I did.
Because see, like this machine has one, and I think this machine has one.
Mm-hmm.